So, welcome! I'm gonna try something new today. I'm gonna talk you through my ride. So, on the right side, there were cyclists, and I know I have to be aware of them here. Cyclists over there and coming, the other cyclists are coming. They thank me. They're coming a little bit more. So I bet almost 80% of you did not see one is coming, but we can get that. Almost 80% didn't see did not see the cyclists and knew directly that was going to be a problem in the right turn. But now that you know, you cannot unsee something like that. It's quite interesting. So we're going up. We're going up.
We're going up.
Cool to see here where there are a lot of trees. You see that the trees are at least 4 meters high. And when you have a closer look, a lot of people don't know that, but the trees are cut off straight at least 4 meters height and then go straight down. When you see the trees now, you see that's not the natural form of the trees. All bus drivers, truck drivers know that, but for people who have only a driver's license for a car, a moped or something like that, they're not aware of that, and I think it's interesting to know. It's also something when you once you know it, you cannot unknow. You see it every time. So when trees are hanging over look at the little kid. This is the Netherlands. I used to ride the bike with my father when I was a kid like that. My father was riding his bike, holding stop, holding his steer. I go a little bit right, so we have more place. He thanks me. And we go back to the center. When I was a kid, I rode my bike, or my father did ride his bike, and I was sitting on the, how do you call that? Watch these cyclists, they're coming on our road, so I have to go a little bit left, but there's no place because other cars are coming. So I go really, really slow and have my wheels at the maximum left of the, how do you say that? Maximum left of the lane. Now I'm waiting for cyclists. They stop, so then I can go. Thank you. This is interesting. Cars over there need to see early enough that I am here. And most of them don't see that. I sign with my light, wait for them. I didn't know. I told you, most of them don't see that. They don't look that far. But once you're there, they go on the side. It's not that they have a chance when they're not going to the side. So less traffic here. With the light, it's green now, so by the time that we are there, it's red again. So we don't have to speed up. We just slow down and make it comfortable for our passengers. Looking at the other traffic, the bikers have green, so we cannot turn right. We have to go right here. But there's not very much other traffic, except for from the right, but that's not coming our way. So that's right, and then this one turns green. When you look at a cross like that, most of the time can quite know well when stoplights are getting green. Maybe I can make a video about that. But for now, this is it. Have a nice day, and let me know in the comments what you think of this concept.